want to gently remove your balloon from your chocolate bowl. Now we're going to do this one. Oops. It was fragile around the edges. You see how that's cracking, which is okay. We'll still have a bowl. And you just want to peel very gently your balloon. Bloopers, take 2 off of your chocolate bowl so that it looks really pretty. So, and it should come right out just like that. So, see how easy that was? So now, look how pretty that is. You have a beautiful chocolate bowl to impress your guests when they come over, and you can fill it with ice cream and sherbet and anything you want, chocolate mousse. And voila, you have a beautiful chocolate dessert bowl for your guests that you can put ice cream in.